Rhode Island's identity should be known as the culinary capital of America. From unexpected bites to unforgettable flavor, we spotlight the hidden gems feeding our neighborhoods and bring that local love right into your kitchen. This is Road to Good Food. Join the journey and subscribe for more. Some recipes just belong to summer. This grilled bruschetta toast is one of those. Ripe tomatoes, herby ricotta, grilled bread with just the right amount of char. Start with 2 large tomatoes, diced finely so you get a little bit in every bite. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic puree and fresh chopped basil. Add 1 small shallot, also finely chopped. It just gives enough bite without overpowering. Zest in half of a lemon for brightness, and then season with salt and pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, give everything a good mix, and cover it up to chill in the fridge. You can make this ahead of time. Just let it sit out for about 15 minutes before serving. The longer it rests, the better it gets. Kinda like summer evenings. Slice fresh, crusty bread about 1 inch thick on a bias. It gives you more room for all those toppings. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and set aside. We'll get that grill going soon. Now for that dreamy whipped ricotta. Finely chop 1 to 2 bunches of fresh basil. It brings that garden fresh flavor that ties everything together. Add 16 ounces of ricotta to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon each of dried oregano and dried parsley, and toss that fresh basil in. You're gonna need 1/3 a cup of freshly grated Parmesan. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic puree, season with salt and pepper, then mix until creamy and smooth. Here's a quick tip. Fold your piping bag over a tall glass to fill without the mess. Then just chill it until you're ready to assemble. Time to fire up that grill. Grill your bread until the edges are golden and smoky. Pipe a thick ring of ricotta around the edge. It looks beautiful and keeps the tomatoes right where they belong. That fresh tomato mixture right into the center. Finish with a generous drizzle of balsamic glaze. If you want a clean presentation, drizzle on a cutting board before plating. We're gonna add something a little crispy. Tear 3 to 4 slices of thin prosciutto and lay them on a parchment-lined sheet. Give them a quick olive oil spray and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 12 minutes until they're crisp and golden. Let them cool on the pan until they harden right up. Break the prosciutto into shards and nestle a few pieces vertically on each toast. Add a pinch of fresh microgreens on top. Grilled bruschetta toast. Simple enough for a weeknight, stunning enough for your next gathering. Wherever you are, whoever you're with, may your road always lead you to good food.